get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is like a update video on the Q, and I remember the last video I didn't have this door on, and also look at the interior. Got the seats in, got the other seats over there, but that one I don't screw it down yet, but I got everything in. So next thing for the interior is the mirror. So I'm gonna do the windshield and then the steering wheel airbag. But so far so good. And also right now I'm gonna go pick up some mirror right now. And also I was taking all the wires off the engine and everything because I'm gonna take the engine out, and I'm gonna do that myself. So I was disconnecting everything. I got this top part right there, I got the subframe to change, and also the most important part, we got the quarter panel right there. So yeah, so we're gonna take the engine out and then we're gonna change this, the leg. And also we got some new goodies for it too, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. And yeah guys, so that's how it's looking. Let me show you everything right there. Got all the exhaust part, we got the radiator support right there. And yeah, I already changed the rear bumper already. Got the hood right here, as I said, radiator support, hood, exhaust part. Got our wheel right here, fender. And also I'm gonna go and get a new fender today again for the driver's side. But that's how the Q is looking. Almost ready, guys, almost there, boys. So as I said, this is just a short update video, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Yeah guys, and also I'm off to go in here real quick. I'm off to go back, take out the seat again to like take out the E85 out of it, because I got a full tank of E85 just sitting there. And let me show you the doors I swapped out. I got one door right there that I swapped out, and over that side I'm gonna go over there and show you guys. I got some air suspension right there too, but yeah, there it is. I swapped out these doors. I'm just leaving the windshield for last. And also these. I only changed this door because this and this right here, and this one, yeah. So yeah guys, and here's the subframe again. Subframe right here, so I'm gonna swap that out. Got the new fog light and shit.